Welcome to Revitalize and Recharge, a guided meditation for overcoming fatigue and replenishing your energy. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying with you. This is your time to reconnect with your inner vitality and rejuvenate your entire being. Let us begin. Visualize yourself standing at the edge of a serene, tranquil lake. The water is clear and inviting, reflecting the gentle glow of the sun. Feel the warmth of the sunlight on your skin, rejuvenating and energizing you with each ray that touches you. Take a moment to absorb this revitalizing energy as it permeates your entire body. Take a step forward and immerse yourself in the crystal clear water. As you enter, feel the soothing coolness enveloping you, washing away any fatigue or weariness. Allow yourself to surrender to the embrace of the water, feeling its healing properties infuse every cell of your being. Imagine tiny, shimmering droplets of light gently descending from above. These droplets represent pure revitalizing energy, tailored specifically for you. Watch as they gently land on the surface of the water, creating ripples that radiate outwards. These ripples carry the transformative energy of rejuvenation. As you continue to stand in the water, visualize the ripples flowing towards you, touching your feet, ankles, and slowly moving upward. Feel the revitalizing energy permeate your legs, dissolving any fatigue or heaviness. With each ripple, you feel a surge of renewed vitality flowing through you. Now, let the ripples of energy move up to your lower body, soothing and revitalizing every muscle, joint, and organ. Any tension or fatigue you've been carrying melts away, replaced by a vibrant sense of aliveness and energy. As the ripples reach your torso, feel them cleanse and invigorate your internal organs. Sense your body becoming lighter and more energized with every passing moment. Allow this revitalizing energy to penetrate deeply, revitalizing your entire being. Next, the ripples of energy move up to your arms, hands, and fingertips. Feel a gentle warmth and vibrancy spreading through your limbs, dissolving any traces of fatigue or lethargy. Embrace this renewed sense of strength and vitality. Now, visualize the ripples reaching your neck and head, gently massaging away any tension or mental fatigue. Sense the revitalizing energy infuse your mind, bringing clarity, focus, and a heightened state of awareness. Feel yourself becoming alert, rejuvenated, and fully present in this moment. Take a moment to bask in the radiance of your revitalized being. You are vibrant, energized, and free from fatigue. Allow this sensation to fill every corner of your being, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head. As you stand in the revitalizing waters, take a deep breath, inhaling the pure, vibrant energy surrounding you. Feel it infuse every cell of your body, revitalizing and replenishing you from within. With each exhale, release any remaining traces of fatigue or exhaustion, allowing them to dissolve into the water, leaving you feeling lighter and more refreshed. Now, visualize yourself stepping out of the water, a radiant aura of revitalized energy surrounding you. As you walk along the shore of the tranquil lake, imagine a path of shimmering golden light appearing before you. This path represents your journey towards sustained energy and vitality. With each step you take along this path, envision a surge of energy coursing through your body, invigorating and strengthening you. Feel your muscles becoming more energized, your mind sharpening, and your spirit lifting with every stride. As you continue walking, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature surrounding you. Notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the gentle sway of the trees, and the melody of birdsong in the air. Allow these natural elements to amplify the sense of vitality within you. Pause for a moment and find a comfortable spot on the path to rest. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in the life-giving energy of the surrounding nature. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or fatigue, allowing it to dissolve into the earth beneath you. Now, imagine a magnificent waterfall in front of you, cascading down with tremendous power and energy. This waterfall represents the unlimited source of vitality within you. Visualize yourself stepping under the refreshing cascade of water, feeling it wash away any residual fatigue, leaving you revitalized and renewed. As the water falls upon you, imagine it transforming into a cascade of pure, shimmering light. This vibrant light infuses every aspect of your being, illuminating your body, mind, and spirit. Sense the light filling you with boundless energy, restoring balance and harmony to every aspect of your existence. Take a moment to express gratitude for the energy and vitality you have cultivated within yourself. Acknowledge your inner strength and resilience. Embrace the knowledge that you have the power to revitalize and recharge whenever you need it. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and open your eyes. Carry this renewed sense of energy and vitality with you as you continue your day, knowing that you can tap into it whenever you desire.